many people, and especially in Europe, don't believe in God. But faith is a decision. If you don't want to believe, you have a lot of excuses. But the point is, you can today decide, I want to believe in God, I want to believe in Jesus Christ, and then God will begin to speak to you, to show you things. I have seen Jesus Christ. I have seen also the devil. I know the other world. I flew with the speed of light. I have seen in some dreams and visions about end time. I know him. And so I tell you, decide, ask God to forgive your sins, to come in your life, believe in Jesus Christ and be saved.